Boo! Gotcha! We're here in Circle G Meadows in Gilbert, Arizona, taking a look at what happens when you take a modern refresh of an established home. Let's take a look. Now the house looks a little bit different than it would have back in 1985, but when you walk in, you've got all your bedrooms on the east side. Big, massive, open space here at the entrance. Wonderful for hosting. You still have your RV gate on the west side with your pool and space to relax in the backyard as well. Here in the kitchen, I'm a little afraid this gives my wife some ideas, but we've got our white oak cabinets and they've got their gold hardware. Looks great with the faucet as well. And then the countertops, and they've also got these like elements of like gold in them as well. Pulls all of it together really nicely. We're in the master. Something that stands out to me is the access points you have to the backyard. Doors, simple tool, underrated in their use. We have a bonus room off the master that has access to the backyard from there. You've got your slider here in the master. This gets you to the backyard. And then obviously we have our dining room space by the kitchen that also has access to the backyard. Beautiful bathroom upgrade here with your walk-in shower. Not a huge soaking tub, which is my preference. And then you've got your French doors here just to open up access and space here in the hallway. Now, I wouldn't be much of a fun agent if I didn't utilize the spaces provided to me in the house here. So here we are in the loft of bedroom number 4 of the house. Not only does it have this fun little space here, think of all the things that you could do with the kiddos and such, but you've also got this walk-in closet. So it's not only a room with purpose for little kiddos, but it's actually got great storage as well. I'm Nate with Stewardship. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. Huge thank you to the sellers, to James and Iva with eXp Realty for letting us tour this awesome home. Now, if this home speaks your language, this is our number. Give us a call. I'd love to serve you and open the door for you. But if you're looking for something else, you need that full court sports court, laser tag arena, or a place to run your horses, we can find that property as well. Give the same number a call. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next tour.